Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am. Good
Thank
morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
yeah, thank you very much. Let me know the screen is visible to you or not.
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, if we talk about the last week, then we have started with the basic of the matrices, where we have considered the special types of matrices, definitions, examples. We have also considered how to perform the basic operations on this matrix, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and using minors and cofactors. We can have the notion of adjoint of a matrix, through which we can find out inverse of a matrix as well. After that, we have started with the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, which is, if I recall, then if you are given any non-zero vector x such that it satisfies the equation ax is equal to lambda x, then that lambda is called the eigenvalue, and that vector x, non-zero vector x, is called the eigenvector, right, of a given matrix A, that we have seen. And after that, we have considered the example, which is divided into three parts. First, you have to find out the characteristic equation. Second one is the roots of the characteristic equation, which are nothing but the eigenvalues. And third one is, corresponding to all these eigenvalues, we have to find out the eigenvectors. And after that, we have seen the notion of, when you consider set of all eigenvalues where I is from 1 to n, then this set is called spectrum of A. Suppose A is the given matrix, and if you consider all eigenvalues, eigenvectors, then it is called the eigenspace, right? So in the last example, we have considered 2 cross 2 matrix, where we have seen how to find out the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of that particular expression, right, where we have considered the characteristic equation as determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, right? So that is what we have seen. So we are going to do some more example today, and we will consider the properties of this eigen values and eigenvectors by seeing some of the expressions. Okay, so let us consider the T matrix, so that we can have the more general idea that when square matrix is expanded in higher order, then how to find out the corresponding characteristic equation as well as the eigenvectors. Okay, so let me start with it. So today we are going to consider the example, this one, here it is, yeah, this one. So example 7, find eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvectors of this square matrix 4 2 2, 4 2 minus 2, minus 5 3 2, and minus 2 4 1, right? So we are going to start with this one. So example, find, you can write with me in your notebook that find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of A, that is a given matrix, which is 4 2 minus 2, minus 5 3 2, minus 2 4 and 1. Okay, let me give this as 1, expression 1. So I will write the solution over here. First of all, our first step is to find out the characteristic equation of this one. So I will write the characteristic equation of A is given by, so actually basically it is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, right? So being an identity matrix in this factor, it will reflect only on the diagonal elements, means lambda I will be lambda 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 on the diagonal elements, elsewhere it will be 0. So when I perform the subtraction of lambda I with A, then the only affected things will be this diagonal elements of A. So I can write it will be 4 minus lambda, rest of the entry will remain same, minus 5, 3 minus lambda, 2, minus 2, 4 and 1 minus lambda, and this determinant is equal to 0. So now when you apply the definition of determinant, so this one will be 4 minus lambda, in the bracket 3 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, minus 8, minus 2 into, I have to write this cross multiplication, that is minus 5, 1 minus lambda plus 4. I will write here the next part, minus 2 into, this is minus 20, minus minus plus 2 into 3 minus lambda is equal to 0, right? So being a 3 cross 3 matrix, if you solve this one, due to these 3 factors, you will have a cubic polynomial as an LHS of this expression. So I am giving you 2-3 minutes, quickly solve it and let me know which expression you are getting after simplification of all these terms.
Ma'am,
Yes,
lambda cube minus
yes,
8
minus
lambda
8 lambda square, very good,
plus 17 lambda
very good.
minus 10
Yes, this
equals
is the
to 0.
correct, yes, this is the correct expression. When you solve it, you will have this expression, which is nothing but the characteristic equation, okay, which is characteristic equation of a given matrix A. I hope all of you will get this expression after simplification. Let me, so if you have solved all these terms, you will find somehow difficulty as compared to 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix में ये बहुत easy है, but 3 cross 3 matrix में since more terms are involved, so calculations करते time आपको बहुत careful रहना पड़ेगा. So let me give you the another method to find out the characteristic equation. So this is one, you can use either of the method, which one is convenient to you that you can apply, but let us see the other method here as well. So the characteristic equation of A is given by, since it is 3 cross 3 matrix, so it will start with lambda cube, then you have to consider alternate sign. So since this is with the positive sign, so alternate sign, so minus S1, decrease the power of lambda, so now it is lambda square. Now opposite sign S2, decreasing the powers of lambda, alternate sign S3, lambda raised to 0, that is sorry, that is 1 is equal to 0. So where, what are this S1, S2 and S3? So S1 we can compute, which is same as trace of A. S2 in this 3 cross 3, it is the diagonal elements minors sum, that is sum of minors of the diagonal elements, means it is M11 plus M22 plus M33, and S3 is same as determinant of A. So let us see one by one this. So suppose I say this is star, so therefore star becomes lambda cube minus, let me consider it this way, so S1. S1 means it is trace of A, so you can see that 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, it is 8. So directly you can answer this is 8 lambda square plus S2. S2 means it is a sum of minors of the diagonal elements. So here if I erase the first row and first column, so it will give me the M11, that is the determinant of this submatrix, that is, it is 3 minus 8. So here it will be minus 5 plus. Now I have to consider M22. So which will be submatrix, determinant of submatrix, this one. So it is 4 plus 4. So it is just 0. And when I consider the third one, M33, so corresponding rows and columns will be deleted. In that case, the submatrix determinant is given by 12 plus 10, so it will be 22 lambda. And now I have to find out the determinant. So determinant I will write here, just wait, yeah. So minus, it will be 4. Let me erase this so that you can easily see. Yeah, let me change my color. So it is 4 into 3 minus 8. So minus 5 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 4. Right? And minus 2 into minus 20 plus 6 is equal to 0. So if you simplify this, you can get lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus this is 22 minus 5, that is 17 lambda, and here negative sign is there, and simplification of this, if I will see, minus 20, this is plus 2, and this one will be minus 14 minus 2, so 28. So this is 30 minus 20, that is 10, is equal to 0. So both the expressions are correct. You can choose any of this method to find out the characteristic equation. We have this notion in terms of 2 cross 2 matrix as well, but after completion of this one, I will show you how to find out the characteristic equation in 2 cross 2 matrix via this method. Okay, that will become very easy. So now we have the characteristic equation of this given matrix. Let me know how many of you are getting this expression as a characteristic equation. Please raise your hand. Very good. Fine, fine, very good. So, which is characteristic equation of A or 1, right? So now we have to find out second step as roots of this equation. Roots of this equation, if you see here, if you consider all coefficients, then 1 minus 8 plus 17 minus 10. So if you add all of this, then it will become 0. And therefore from your school level mathematics, I can say 1 is one of the root of this expression. Lambda is equal to 1 is one of the root. And therefore to find out the other roots, I have to write all these coefficients in this manner. So 1 minus 8 plus 17 minus 10. Since 1 is one of the root, I will write it on this side. So here you can write 0. Add the corresponding columns. So write it below the line 1. Then you cross multiply this thing. So it is 1. I have to write it in this row. Then perform the addition. So here it is minus 7. Again perform the cross multiplication with 1. So it is minus 7. Add this 2 again. So it is 10. 10 into 1, 10. So this will become 0. If your computations are correct, you will always get this last element as 0. Right? So therefore, lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 17 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0 can be factorized as, since 1 is one of the root, therefore lambda minus 1 will be one of the factor, and therefore the second degree polynomial, since one factor we have already eliminated, so second degree polynomial can be written as 1 into lambda square minus 7 into lambda plus 10 is equal to 0. Right? And 10 can be factorized as 5 and 7, 5 and 2, whose sum is 7. So this is nothing but lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2, lambda minus 5 is equal to 0, implies lambda is equal to 1, 2, 5. These are eigenvalues of A. So now we will perform our third step. Third step is nothing but eigenvectors. Right? So we will consider one by one all of these three lambda values. First we will find out eigenvectors corresponding to lambda is equal to 1, then corresponding to lambda is equal to 2, and finally lambda is equal to 5. So eigenvectors लेने के लिए पहले हमें क्या कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा? You have to consider one vector. So consider capital X is equal to 3 वेरिएबल्स चाहिए, तो आई विल चूज एक्स वाई जेड. यू कैन चूज x1 x2 x3 एज वेल, जो भी आपको कन्वीनियंट है. दिस हैज टू बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0 सच दैट ax is equal to lambda x. By definition of eigenvector, it has to satisfy this expression. This is nothing but the square matrix A minus lambda I x is equal to a 0 matrix, right? Let me give this as Roman 1 equation, क्योंकि हर बार तीनों केसेस में we are not going to write this expression. We will directly use this for lambda is equal to 1, 2 and 5. तो हर बार ये 3 बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So directly we'll follow this equation Roman 1 in the 3 cases. So here I will write for lambda is equal to 1. पहला केस ले रही हूँ, lambda is equal to 1. This 1 becomes, तो क्या हो जाएगा? तो लैम्बडा की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 1 रख रहे हो, तो जहां पर भी हमने a माइनस लैम्बडा आई यहाँ पर हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, तो लैम्बडा की जगह इट विल बिकम 1. सो दिस विल बिकम 4 minus 1 that is 3, 3 minus 1 that is 2 and 1 minus 1 0. Rest of the entry will remain as it is, right? So क्या हो जाएगा? लैम्बडा इज इक्वल टू 1 लेंगे तो एक्सप्रेशन, तो 4 minus 1 that means it will become 3. 2 minus 2 as it is रहेंगे, then it is minus 5, 3 minus 1, so it will be 2, then 2, final row, minus 2 and 4 तो as it is रहेंगे, 1 minus 1, so this will become 0. X you have already chosen that it is x, y, z is equal to 0. What is the order of 0 matrix in this case?
3 cross
1.
1.
Yes, here you can see this is 3 cross 1, this is 3 cross 1, sorry 3 cross 3, 3 cross 1. So resultant matrix will be of order 3 cross 1, right? Okay, तो ये जो हमें देगा वो system of linear equation देगा पूरा, उसको solve करेंगे, then you will have the answers of x, y and z. That is our target. So in this case I can write, मुझे ये लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना है, सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना है. आई विल गो थ्रू द रो इकोलन फॉर्म. यू कैन चूज एनी ऑफ द मेथड व्हिच इज कन्वीनियंट टू यू. सो द ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स of above system is given by मैट्रिक्स हो जाएगा 3, 2, -2, -5, 2, 2, -2, 4 and 0. डॉट 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 करके 0 0 0 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज दिस इज होमोजेनियस सिस्टम, राइट? Second thing, since this is a homogeneous system of linear equation, you will have two possibility. Either there will be a trivial solution or infinitely many solution. Since we have considered our x to be non-zero matrix, therefore our possibility of trivial solution is directly neglected from our chosen condition of eigenvector that it should be non-zero, right? So here, first of all, to convert it in terms of row echelon form, I will divide the first row with 3. So this will become this matrix, which is equivalent to the original matrix, right? Reason I will write 1 by 3 R1. Now to make zeros below the leading one, this is your leading one. इसके नीचे 0 बनाने के लिए I have to apply the operations on R2 and R3. तो R2 पे we will apply the operation R2 plus 5R1 and R3 plus 2R1. So first row will be as it is. Second row, this element will be 0. Then when I multiply it with 5, this is 10 by 3. And when I add it to this row R2, then it will be 2, means simplification you can see it is 16 by 3. Here same thing, 10 by 3 minus 2. So it is 10 minus 6. So it will become 4 by 3. Similarly, 2R1 plus R3. So this element will be 0. Then 4 by 3 plus 4. So 12 plus 4. This will become 16 by 3. And this is minus 4 by 3 plus 0. So minus 4 by 3. Do I made somewhere over here the mistake? Minus 2 to, let me verify these entries once again, huh? Please wait. यहाँ पे ऐड करके -2. What about this entry? So this entry is, if I talk about second row third column, so it is minus 10 by 3 plus 2. Yeah, so it is minus 4 by 3. Sorry for this one. Make this entry correction over here. This is minus 4 by 3. Okay. So now next equivalent matrix R2 में हम करेंगे ऑपरेशन this 3 by 16 R2 and R3 will be changed to R3 minus R2, right? So with these reasons, this one 0, this will become 1, minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 16, so it will give you minus 1 by 4. This all entries will be 0 because second row and third row are same. So here you can write, therefore, yes.
R3 equals to R3 minus R2. Should we have to write first and then we can do 3 by 16 R2 because we are doing first operation R3 equals to R3 minus R2.
Simultaneously, you are applying both the operations on the previous matrix, no?
Yes, ma'am, but we have to follow that step. No, we have written second. So R3 minus 2 come first and 3 by 16 R2.
You are performing this operation simultaneously. So in the reason, you are talking about writing the order in the reason, no?
Yes, ma'am.
रीजन में तो आप ऑर्डर जो भी लग सकते हो.
ऐसा नहीं होता ना मैम कि जो पहले लिखा है वो पहले परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है. मतलब साइमल्टेनियसली कर रहा है तो भी.
देखिए यहाँ पर जो 3 by 16 मैंने लिया हुआ है. ओके, यू आर सेइंग इन दैट सेंस.
हाँ मैम, इंटरचेंज करना है, नहीं तो वो कर देंगे ना तो बाद में सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे.
सुनो 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 सुनो, जस्ट वेट. जो आप बोल रहे हो ना उस केस में, एक मिनट, जो आप बोल रहे हो उस केस में ये मैंने पहले अगर अप्लाई किया उसके बाद अगर मैं मैट्रिक्स लिखती हूँ देन दिस मैट्रिक्स इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज्ड एंड देन इफ आई परफॉर्म दिस वन देन द एंटायर थिंग्स विल बी चेंज्ड. बट राइट नाउ दिस टू ऑपरेशंस आई हैव रिटन इट एज अ रीजन. मैंने रीजन पे लिखा है. रीजन मीन्स प्रीवियस जो मैट्रिक्स है उसी पे मैं ये अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. मीन्स R2 को मैंने पहले डिवाइड किया, फिर ये जो R3 लिखा हुआ है वो वही प्रीवियस मैट्रिक्स का ही है. समझ रहे हो?
हाँ तो मैम इधर, हाँ समझ तो आ गया, पर बाद में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आएगी ना. दोनों साथ में लिख रहे पर ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करता तो चलता है, ऐसा पूछ रहा हूँ. ऑर्डर मेंटेन नहीं रखे तो चलेगा.
एज ए रीजन आप लिख रहे हो देन ऑर्डर विल नॉट बी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज रीजन हम प्रीवियस स्टेप पे वो अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, हेंस इट विल बी फॉलोड इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. यहाँ पे अगर आप लिखते हो, सी अगर मैंने यहाँ पे रीजन का सिंबल हटा दिया, रीजन का सिंबल हटा दिया मीन्स नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस ऑन द नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक्स, सो इट विल बी चेंज्ड. But since I have written this 3 dots, means it is a reason, that means it is applied on the previous matrix, not to this one.
Okay, ma'am.
So for the reason that reason में वो previous matrix में ही apply हुआ है, so it will not affected by the order of the steps.
Okay,
हाँ,
ma'am.
लेकिन अगर आप 3 डॉट के अलावा लिख रहे हो साथ ही में मैट्रिक्स में, तो it will be affected. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So by ये कैसी बात हो गई यहाँ पर कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ से 2x इज इक्वल टू 3y लिखा हुआ है, और फिर मैं यहाँ से लिखूँ कि x इज इक्वल टू 3/2y, रीजन आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन या जो भी लिख रहे हो, राइट? तो ये जो यहाँ पर रीजन लिखा उसका मीनिंग क्या है? ये यहाँ पर अप्लाई किया या यहाँ पर अप्लाई किया?
ऊपर वाले में।
यस, अब समझ में आया? ये एक्सप्रेशन से आपको वो मैट्रिक्स का भी क्लियर होगा. दिस रीजन इज, बट अगर रीजन नहीं लिखा होता, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स अगेन नाउ यहाँ पे आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन अप्लाई करना है, तो उस केस में आप ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन पे ही वापस आ जाओगे, राइट? सो द सिंबल इज इंपॉर्टेंट.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now using back substitution, क्या मिलेगा हमें? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू assume our third variable z as k, where k is any real number. So from again that expression y is equal to 1/4z. So to avoid the fraction, what I will do, I will multiply this k with 4, because now the scalar quantity is there. So multiplying two scalar quantity, it will give you again a scalar quantity only. So just to avoid the fractions in the eigenvectors, I will consider z as 4k, so that this 4 gets eliminated and directly I have just k. And in that case, x can be minus 2/3y plus 2/3z. So this one will be 2/3, y is k, plus 2/3, this is with the negative sign, z is 4k. So 2/3 I can consider common, 4k minus k, that is 3k, 3 gets cancelled, so this will be 2k, right? So in that case, therefore the eigenvector x, which is x, y and z, will become 2, k is scalar multiple 1 and 4, where since we have already assumed our x is not equal to 0, so I will write here that k is belonging to r minus 0, because if I choose k is equal to 0, it will give you the 0 matrix, that is eigenvector as 0, which is not our case. So we have to eliminate k as 0 from the entire real number system, right? So this is corresponds to lambda is equal to 1. Now for lambda is equal to 2, again we have given it as Roman 1, no? Let me see. Yeah, so directly we can write 1 become, तो वो जो एक्सप्रेशन है उसमें एलिमेंट्स कहाँ पर चेंज हो जाएंगे? यहाँ पर 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 2, so it will be 2, 1 and minus 1, right? So ये एक्सप्रेशन हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, let me write, it will become 4 minus 2, that is 2, rest of the entries will remain same, right? So what it will be, it is 2 minus 2, the second row is minus 5, 3 minus 2, so 1, 2, minus 2, 4, and 1 minus 2, so it will be minus 1, x, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0. So apply any of the method and quickly find out the solution of this system, and let me know the answer if you are getting it. Yes, anyone having answer?
Ma'am, Z equals to K,
Okay, that is
Y
1.
equals to K,
Y is
Y
equal to
equals to K by 2,
K,
and X equals to K by 2.
K by 2, K, and X is equal to
K by 2.
K by 2. Means if I consider K by 2 common, suppose K by 2 will be again one scalar. Let me denote it with K1. K1 is K by 2. So in that case, 1, 1, 2. So directly आप अगर Z को ही 2K ले लेते, then also you will have that 1, 1, 2 as the eigenvector. Let me see how many of you are getting this answer. Out of 41, there are only 12 students who are getting this answer. What about other people? Devan Patel. Devan Patel. 70 number. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes, Devan. Are you there?
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
so how you are getting this? Are you getting this answer?
Yes,
हाँ जी
પૂછવું હતું ને આવે એટલે કહું
મોટેથી બોલો
મેડમ વર્ક ચાલુ છે
વર્ક ચાલુ છે વર્ક ઇન પ્રોગ્રેસ ક્વેશ્ચન મૂકેલું છે ત્યાં આટલી બધી વાર લાગે છે rather
આવા મેમ
this computations are lesser as compared to the previous case क्योंकि first row सीधा fraction से आप without fractions you will have all these entries હમણાં ચાલુ કર્યું મેડમે કીધું એટલે રેન્ડમલી આવી રીતે પકડે ત્યારે ખબર પડે છે Turn on your camera and show me your notebook. Devan. આટલા બધા ચેકા ચાકી સાથે લખશો તો કોને ખબર પડવાની હતી તમે પોતે જ કન્ફ્યુઝ થશો અને 6 અને 9 એન્ટ્રીઝ 6 - 3 ઓકે below 6 there is 9 or 0
9 છે
ક્યાંથી 9 આવ્યું મિસ્ટેક કરી રહ્યા છો કમ્પ્યુટેશન્સ ફરીથી કરો Okay, now you can turn off your camera. Randomly, I will ask to anybody. તમને તો એક એક્સપિરિયન્સ થઈ ગયો છે ઓફલાઈન એક્ઝામિનેશનનો પછી શું કરવા આવું કરો છો Okay, so now let me see how many of you are getting 17 લોકોને આન્સર મળ્યો બાકીનાને બાકી છે should I compute let me compute कैसे आया ये 1 1 2 those who have already computed this case they can go for lambda is equal to 5 okay ये कैसे आया I am doing it over here for those students who are not able to finish it so augmented matrix if I consider is given by here it is 2 2 minus 2 minus 5 1 2 minus 2 4 and minus 1 so I will first apply 1 by 2 R1. So next equivalent matrix will be 1, 1, minus 1, minus 5, 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 1. So next I will make below 1, below leading 1, all the entries 0. So in that case I have to apply on R2 plus 5 R1 and R3 as R3 plus 2 R1. So this will become 0. Then 5 R1 plus 1, so it is 6. 5 R1, so minus 5 plus 2, so minus 3. Then when I multiply first row with 2, so 2 minus 2, 0. 2 plus 4, 6 again, and minus 2, minus 1, so it is minus 3. So you can write here next equivalent matrix 1, 1, minus 1, 0. I will make this as 1, so this will become R2, 1 by 6 R2, and on R3 I will consider the row operation R3 minus R2, right? So this will become 0, 0, 0. So therefore by back substitution, let Z is equal to K, where K is in R. Therefore, Y is equal to 1 by 2Z. So Z I will consider as 2K to avoid the fractions. So this will become K. And from first row, I can write the expression 1, 1, minus 1. So X is equal to minus Y plus Z. So it is minus K plus 2K, that is K. Therefore, the eigenvector x, y, z is x, that is 1, y is also 1, z is 2. And here I have to eliminate 0 because eigenvectors are always a non-zero vectors, right? So this is corresponds to lambda is equal to 2, lambda is equal to 5. I am giving you as homework. Find out, though anyone has completed it?
Yes, ma'am.
What you are getting?
X equals to 0, Z equals to K, Y equals to K.
Means it is this one. That is the correct one. Okay. Those who are not able to finish it, they can finish at home. Right. So this is what the 3 cross 3 matrix eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Now, as I was talking about, when you are given 2 cross 2 matrix, then what will be the corresponding formula with respect to this S1 and S2? So in that case, suppose you are given a matrix. Suppose I ask you the example, find eigenvalues of A is equal to 5, 3, 1, 3. ओके सो एक तो आप डिटर्मिनेंट वाला मेथड दे सकते हो, और since this is 2 cross 2 matrix, your polynomial will start with the degree 2, so lambda square, alternate sign, decrease the power of lambda, so s1 lambda plus s2 is equal to 0. Means in this case it will be lambda square. So what is this s1 and s2? So where s1 and s2, S1 is nothing but trace of A and S2 is nothing but determinant of A. So in that case, using this method, we can write the characteristic equation. Let me write the entire thing, otherwise you won't write. So the characteristic equation of A is here given by, write down this expression. So therefore lambda square minus S1 is trace of A. So trace of A here, if you see, it is 5 plus 3, that is 8 lambda, plus determinant. So determinant is 15 minus 3, that is 12 is equal to 0. So if you solve this one, 12 can be factorized as 6 and 2. Therefore, its factors are this one such that their sum is 8. So therefore, eigenvalues are 2 and 6. Right? So whichever method is convenient to you, either by definition or by this S1, S2, S3 methods, whatever is convenient to you, you can apply it. But I think it will be more convenient whenever we have 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrices. Okay. Now let us talk about the properties of these eigenvalues. These are the actually beautiful theorems which are proved so that we can directly have the results of these eigenvalues. Okay, we can directly predict in some of the cases that what will be the eigenvalues. So these properties are regarding to that one, that in special cases how we can find out. So first of all, I will consider this example as a specimen to understand the properties of these eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So first of all, the two eigenvalues of this matrix is 2 and 6. That means I will call this as lambda 1 and this as lambda 2. So if you observe here, if I consider the sum of eigenvalues here, then it is 2 plus 6, which is same as trace of the given matrix here. That also you can see 5 plus 3, that is it is 8. As well as if you consider product of this eigenvalues, means in this case it is 6 into 2, that is 12, which is same as determinant of this matrix, that is 15 minus 3. Means this is one specimen. Actually this is the proved theorem that suppose you are given n cross n matrix, then if you consider sum of all eigenvalues of A, then it is same as trace of A, as well as when you consider product of all those eigenvalues, then it is same as determinant of the matrix, given square matrix. Right? Another thing is, suppose if I ask you that find out the eigenvalue of A transpose, where eigenvalues of A is known to you, right? So A transpose अगर आपको find out करना है, तो you have to consider this characteristic equation and then all those computations and all those things, or you can have this computation S1 lambda plus S2 is equal to 0. But if I consider the transpose of this matrix, means A transpose will be 5, 3, 1, 3. So you can see that after considering transpose, diagonal elements are not changed their position. Therefore, trace of A will be also same. That means this will be same as A, as well as determinant of A transpose is same as determinant of A. Therefore, this is also not going to change. Therefore, characteristic equation will remain same if we consider A transpose. Therefore, the roots will be also same and therefore their eigenvalues are also same. Means eigenvalues of A are known to you, then it will be eigenvalues of A transpose as well. Because that expressions will not be affected, because trace of A and determinant of A is not affected by the transpose of A. But when you consider its system of linear equation, means if I talk about the eigenvectors, तो ट्रांसपोज का आइगन जब भी आप कंसिडर करोगे तो सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विल बी आल्सो चेंज्ड. So in that case we don't have any relation between eigenvectors of A transpose and A, but eigenvalues if I talk about of this two, then they are always equal. Right? Another thing is, suppose A is a given matrix which we have considered over here, whose eigenvalues are 2 and 6. If I ask you find out eigenvalues of A square, then again you will first find out what is A square, उसके बाद उसका trace find out करोगे, उसके बाद determinant find out करोगे, ये expression की values find out करोगे, then you will have the answer. But one theorem is proved that if lambda 1 and lambda 2 are eigenvalues of A, then corresponding lambda square lambda 2 square will be the eigenvalue of A square. Similar thing will be there. Suppose 3 cross, in general suppose lambda is one of the eigenvalue of A, तो A square की lambda value lambda square हो जाएगी eigenvalue, A cube की it will be lambda cube and so on. In general suppose if I ask you the power of A as A raised to K, and lambda is one of the eigenvalue of A, then lambda raised to K will be the eigenvalue of A raised to K. Not only this, but if A is invertible, तो A inverse की eigenvalue भी 1 upon lambda हो जाएगी, that is lambda inverse. So A की eigenvalue अगर lambda है, तो A inverse की eigenvalue will be 1 upon lambda. Third thing is, if you consider any diagonal matrix, means this entry as a diagonal element, elsewhere it is 0, then such a matrix having eigenvalue as precisely the diagonal element. इस केस में आपको कोई भी computations में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्टली जो diagonal elements है वही के वही eigenvalues हो जाएंगी. Not only for diagonal elements, if you consider any upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix, then their diagonal elements are precisely the eigenvalues, right? And after this, I think, yeah, and one more thing, कि अगर 0 is one of the eigenvalue होता है तो वो मैट्रिक्स कभी इन्वर्टेबल नहीं होता है. मीन्स क्यों? क्योंकि matrix is invertible, A is invertible if and only if A is invertible if and only if 0 is not an eigenvalue. क्यों? क्योंकि 0 is one of the eigenvalue होगा, means ये प्रोडक्ट जो है वो भी 0 हो जाएगा. एक एलिमेंट 0 है तो ये पूरा प्रोडक्ट भी 0 हो जाएगा. But we have proved that product of eigenvalue is nothing but determinant of A. And if determinant of A is equal to 0, then you can say A is not invertible, right? So we have a condition that A is invertible if and only if 0 is not an eigenvalue. So these are some of the shortcuts which we are going to use whenever we are given special matrices like transpose, like square of a matrix, power of a matrix, invertible matrix, diagonal matrix, triangular, lower triangular, upper triangular, like that. Okay, so let me show you this properties so that you can have the idea. Yeah, here. So you can see these two are the expressions regarding characteristic equation of a matrix, and here if you see, trace of a matrix is same as the sum of the eigenvalues. Determinant of A is a product of eigenvalues. A ट्रांसपोज अगर आप लेते हो और मैट्रिक्स A दिया हुआ है तो it will have same eigenvalues, but in general there is no relation between eigenvectors of A. This I have already discussed, right? Then eigenvalues of a diagonal matrix or triangular matrix are precisely its diagonal elements. Invertible matrix, if and only if 0 is not an eigenvalue. A has an eigenvalue lambda, then for any positive integer k, A raised to k has eigenvalue lambda raised to k, right? And if A is invertible matrix, then A inverse will have eigenvalue as lambda inverse. So these are the properties of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Are you clear about it?
मैम डाउट है.
बोलिए कहाँ पर डाउट है?
हाँ मैम, ये 6th पॉइंट है वो 2x2 मैट्रिक्स के लिए ही एप्लीकेबल होता है, 6th और 7th
No.
कि कोई
General.
क्रॉस n मैट्रिक्स.
N cross, this all properties are in general true for any square matrix. Any square matrix के लिए ये प्रूव होता है. जस्ट मैंने स्पेसिमेन आपको दिखाया 2x2 का, because we have evaluated eigenvalues of that matrix. That's why just I have given you. But this is true for any n cross n matrix.
Okay मैम.
Yeah. Any other question? If not, then you can leave this meeting. Bye, take care. We'll do some more example based on this one in the next class, in which you will have the special types of matrices. I have already uploaded up to this the material in your Teams. Okay, so go through it, and if you have a doubt, you can raise your query. Otherwise, now you can leave this meeting. Bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Welcome all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.